Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mia and I am happy to see you. Right now I am sitting in my favorite cafe. I am drinking coffee and listening to music. Look at the view outside the window. It is a beautiful day today. Today I want to tell you a story about my health. 1 year ago, I was not healthy at all. I often felt very tired and sleepy. Look at this photo of me from last year. I lay on the sofa all day long. I ate a lot of fast food like burgers and fries. My room was messy and I was sad. But then I decided to change my life. I wanted to be happy and full of energy. Look at the difference between then and now. Now, I jump out of bed with joy. Today, I will share my healthy routine with you. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's start with my morning routine. Every morning I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I sleep in a comfortable bed. When the sun comes up, I stretch my arms. It feels good to wake up early. I turn off my alarm clock immediately. The first thing I do is go to the kitchen. I drink a large glass of warm water. Water helps my body wake up after sleeping. It is very refreshing and healthy. Then I roll out my yoga mat in the living room. I do gentle exercise for 15 minutes. I stretch my back and my legs. I breathe deeply in and out. This helps me feel calm and ready. After exercise, I make breakfast. I usually eat oatmeal with fresh milk. I add fruits like strawberries and bananas. This breakfast is delicious and full of vitamins. I eat slowly and enjoy my food. Breakfast gives me energy for the whole morning. At 8 a.m., I start my work. I work at a desk in a bright office. I use my computer to type and read. But sitting all day is not good for you. So, I always keep a water bottle on my desk. I drink water every hour to stay hydrated. Sometimes I stand up and stretch. Walking around the office helps my blood flow. At 12 p.m., it is lunchtime. I bring my own lunchbox from home. Look, I have chicken rice and broccoli. Green vegetables are very important for health. I avoid buying fast food at lunch. Here is another tip for you. Do not use the elevator if possible. I always choose to take the stairs. Walking upstairs makes my heart strong. It is a small exercise, but it is very effective. Try to move your body whenever you can. In the evening, I go back home. I feel happy to relax after work. For dinner, I cook something light. I love making a big bowl of green salad. Fresh tomatoes and cucumbers are tasty. I eat dinner slowly and enjoy the quiet time. After dinner, I have a special rule. It is called a digital detox. I put my smartphone away in a drawer. Blue light from phones is bad for sleep. Instead, I sit in my armchair and read. Reading a paper book helps my brain relax. I also like to write in my journal. I write down 3 good things about today. This makes me feel grateful and positive. Then, I turn off the bedside lamp. The room becomes dark and quiet. I go to sleep at 10:30 p.m. Sleeping for 8 hours is very important. Good sleep keeps you healthy and beautiful. So that is my daily routine. Now I am back at the cafe. Do you remember what we learned? Let's play a small quiz game. Question number 1. What do I drink first in the morning? Is it coffee or warm water? The answer is warm water.
Question number 2.
Do I take the elevator or the stairs? The answer is I take the stairs.
You did a great job today.
Remember to love your body, eat healthy food, and move more. If you like this video, please subscribe. Share it with your friends to learn English. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and have a nice day.